Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure your phone supports NFC and has a secure screen lock. This matters because contactless payments require both. Next, open Google Wallet and tap Add, then Payment Method to start. You'll be asked to use your camera or type card details. Choose what's faster for you. Once done, the bank will verify the card. This often uses your bank app, SMS code, or a short call. Keep your bank app open to accept the verification prompt quickly. Once the bank verification reaches you, enter the code or approve the push. This confirms ownership and prevents fraud. After verification, set your default payment card inside Wallet so payments prioritize that card automatically. Next, add any loyalty or travel cards by scanning or entering details. This keeps everything in one place at checkout. Make sure contactless payments are enabled in settings, and check UK contactless limits and any bank-specific limits so you're not surprised at the till. To pay, unlock your phone if required, then tap the back of the device to the contactless terminal and hold until you see a confirmation. This confirms the transaction. If a payment fails, turn NFC off and on, restart the phone, and try again. Sometimes the wallet needs a quick reset. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card, and make sure your bank hasn't blocked tokenized payments. Contact your bank only if verification or token issues continue. They can clear blocks or reissue tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.